guys, welcome to another video episode of CoinSutra. And in the earlier video I talked about Bybit crypto exchange, which is one of the very popular crypto exchange out there, and if you are not there, you're missing out a lot. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can start trading on Bybit. I'll show you how you can deposit fund, how you can move fund in the internal wallet of Bybit, how you can start trading on spot, and how you can also start trading on futures market. And if you like, you can always withdraw funds on Bybit. So everything you will see and watch in this video. So grab a cup of coffee and start watching. Now, very first thing, if you don't have a Bybit account, you should get an account using the link in the description. You will be eligible to earn this $30,000 deposit reward. Our ID is 3193, and you will be also able to join the VIP program in the future. And this $30,000 deposit reward is very easy to get. Like the moment you will add $3,000 and trade up to 10K, you will be eligible to earn $100. But if you're a pro trader and if you deposit up to 250K and trade about 150 million, you will be earning $30,000 just like that. So use the link in the description to create an account, and if you are not sure how to create an account and how to secure your account, watch my earlier video and log into your account. So I assume you already have done that. So now very first thing you would be doing is click on assets, and here you click on funding. Okay, now depending on the asset you want to deposit, you have multiple options. You can deposit fiat currency, any currency of this choice. By bank transfer they support multiple options, or you can add fund using your credit or debit card if you like. Or you can deposit crypto. So what we'll be doing, we'll be depositing crypto, right? So let's deposit stable coin called USDT, which is the most popular way of moving fund in the crypto industry. So click on deposit, and here you need to select the chain type. So there are different blockchain that Bybit supports, and this is one of those exchanges that supports all the most popular exchanges. So in this case, we are depositing fund in TRC20 token, and you can click on acknowledge. And this is the QR code in which you can deposit the fund, or you can simply copy the wallet address. But make sure that you are aware of which chain type you are using. If you are transferring fund from any other exchange, make sure that they support withdrawal of TRC20, and most of the exchanges do support TRC20 withdrawal. But then you can always use other chain also. But for the simplicity of this tutorial, we'll just use the TRC20. So let me quickly deposit some fund so that I could show you around. So I've just transferred the fund. Now once you have the fund, you will also get an email notification to notify you that you have received the fund. So we'll wait for the fund to arrive. It could take few minutes. And then click on spot. So basically by default the fund goes to the spot market. So we can see how we have about $100. Now what you need to understand that Bybit supports different markets. So you have spot market, spot trading, where you can trade, which I'll show you in a moment. But you can also use margin trading, or if you like, you can use derivative trading, futures trading, and they offer perpetual trading. That means you can keep your position open for as long as you want, as long as you're not getting liquidated. So anyways, we'll talk about that in a moment. So once we have the funds, we have multiple options, right? We can start trading immediately, or we can also transfer this fund to our derivative account and do futures trading. So if you want to do futures trading, what you need to do is click on the transfer. Select the account. So what we are doing is we are transferring from spot market to derivative market. We have to select the coin, and then we can transfer the fund. So let's say we transfer 50 USDT, and that's it. Now what just happened is on my Bybit account, I've just transferred 50 USDT from my spot account to derivative account. Now spot account balance is here, which you can see. Now if we go to derivatives, and let's hide the zero balance, we can see we have $50 here as well. Right, and here we can then start trading on derivative market, but let's stick to the spot market for now, and then we'll talk about derivative later. Now once you have the fund, there are a few things you can do. You can simply click on trade, select the spot trade, and since we have USDT, we'll use the USDT market, and here we have all the cryptocurrencies that we want to trade on. So let's say we want to trade on BTC, we click on this. And this is the kind of interface you will see. Now if it is your first time seeing such kind of interface, I know it might be overwhelming, but let's stick with it, and then I'll show you how it works, right? So very first thing, on the left side you can mark some of the cryptocurrency that you want to trade on as favorite. So let's say I mark BTC as favorite, ETH as favorite, Optimism as favorite, and that's it. Now I can always click on favorite and then quickly change the market. You can see it is ETH USDT, but if I click on BTC USDT, now my market has changed. Now this is where the graph is. This is a standard graph, but if you are accustomed with trading view chart, you can use that, and you can add indicators as per your need. So let's quickly add RSI indicator. Okay, and then we can change the time frame to see the chart based on our requirement, right? So this is a typical trading view chart, and you can also check the depth for the current order. Now once you have this, at the bottom, whatever order that you will place, you will see the order here. You can see all the current orders here. You can see the past orders here. As I placed one order, you can see this order is here which got cancelled, and that's it. Now on the right side is where all the magic happens, right? You can place the spot trade, or if you want to do the leverage trading, you can click on margin and you can do the margin trading as well. Now you can place the order as limit order or market order, and you can have take profit and stop loss order as well. So what limit order means is that current Bitcoin price is 24,868, but I feel that Bitcoin might go to 24,700. So I'll place the order price as 24,700, and I want to spend $10 in this. So I click on that, and then I click on buy BTC. Now you can see my one order is open, and I can always cancel this order if I like, or I'll wait for the price to hit my target of 24,700, and then the order will get executed. So what will happen, my 10 USDT will convert it into Bitcoin at this price when the Bitcoin price reaches here. Similarly, I can have a market order where I can just simply buy at the market price, simply place an order for $10, and let's confirm. So now order has been submitted, and I've already ended up buying Bitcoin for $10. Now I can always click on sell, and I can place an order that I want to sell this at 24,950 and sell all of my $10 worth of Bitcoin. So I'll just place this order. Now once the price will hit this 24,950, the system will automatically sell my Bitcoin, and I'll have the corresponding USDT in my account. So that is the limit and market order. Then they have take profit and stop loss order, or you can also place the conditional order depending on what you want. If you want me to do a video about take profit and stop loss order, which you should learn about, I'll do that in the next video because it is not for everyone, right? But if you're just somebody who's starting out, you can always use spot trading or margin trading if you want to leverage the market, and you should use it only when you're well versed with the technical chart and your win ratio is way more than your loss ratio. Otherwise, margin trading is good, but you can make really lot of money, but at the same time you can lose more money than you would lose on the spot market. Now if you want to do the derivative trading, you can click on derivative. You can click on USDT perpetual, since we have USDT. If you have USDC stablecoin, we'll click on USDC perpetual, right? They also have options trading. They also have inverse contract. What it means is that rather than earning profit in the dollar, you would be earning the profit in the cryptocurrency that you are trading in. And then there are like few other options, but let's stick to USDT perpetual for now. And what we'll do is we'll go to BTC USDT, right? And we'll open a long or short trade, okay? Now what we want to do is we want to open a trade, and what we'll do is like we'll change our leverage to, let's say, 3x, click on confirm, and we will open a market order, right? So basically the cost of opening this trade is about $8, but since we are using 3x, our trade size is $24.9. Now once we are ready, we can simply click on buy long or sell short depending on what do you really want to do. If your chart says it's the time to go long, you can always long the market, or you can short the market based on your requirement. So let's, just for the sake of this video, we will short the market, okay? And then this is what the order looks like, and then click on confirm, right? So now my trade is open, and you need to know that we just transferred $50. So we have $50 in our account, and if I get liquidated, I would lose the entire $50. But if I'm in profit, I can always close this trade by clicking on market. So it will close the trade as per the current market, or I can always place a limit order. So I'll say, like, you know, when the price hit 24,900, please sell my Bitcoin. I can sell the half of the portion, or I can sell the entire portion. And the best part, Bybit also shows that how much profit you are going to make. So since we are actually shorting the market, we should change it to 24,800. And if we close this, we'll be making this much profit. And that's it. We can click on confirm, and that order is also placed. So we can always click on active to see our existing trade. So this is our position, and we have one active trade where like we want to sell our existing position. It could be half or it could be all of it, and it would sell when the price hits 24,800. Another thing very important that you need to know is that perpetual trading is risky, and you should do it only when you are accustomed with futures trading or when your win ratio is more than your loss ratio. So basically that's how you can do the perpetual trading. You can again mark some of your favorite cryptocurrencies as favorite, so you can quickly access the market by clicking here, right? And then you can always transfer the fund. If you're out of the fund, you can click on transfer and you can add more fund or remove fund from here. So if you want to move fund from spot wallet to derivative wallet, we can do that. We can select the amount that we want to transfer and then we can transfer the fund. Right? So yeah, this is how the future trading works. Of course, we can do a deep dive in the future, but the idea of this video is to help you get started so that you can start using Bybit. Now, if you're just a beginner, I highly recommend you to stick with spot trading and then explore margin and derivative trading or futures trading when you actually graduate to a higher level. And another thing, like if you don't want to trade, but if you're an investor and you just want to invest in the market, right? You want to buy Bitcoin and then move it to your cold wallet like Ledger Nano X or any other hardware wallet or even your mobile wallet, you can do that. So what you can do is you can click on trade and then you can click on convert. And for conversion, there are no fees, it's free. So what you can do is you can basically select, let's say, a stable coin USDT, and then you want to, let's say, buy BTC. You can select the amount for which you want to buy BTC, and then you can see the price and click on convert. Now what it will do is the exchange happen instantly, and you can click on back to my assets to see your asset. And here you can see on the spot market we have about, okay, let's access the spot market from the left side or from the asset, right? And here we can see we have this much of BTC. Now what if you want to withdraw USDT or BTC, right? So what you will do is you can click on withdraw. Here you need to enter your address, the address in which you want to withdraw the BTC. Select the chain type. For Bitcoin, it's usually BTC, and then click on all, the amount that you want to withdraw, and then you can click on submit. Now when you're withdrawing USDT, this is where you have to be a little mindful. So when you click on withdraw, you have to select the chain type, and depending on which exchange or which wallet you are transferring to, you have to match it to the same chain type which you are using. TRC20 is the most popular, and most of the crypto wallet supports TRC20. But if you're moving to any other exchange like, let's say, Binance or OKX, then you can always match the same chain type and withdraw based on the fees. So for example, if I use Arbitrum or BP20, which is Binance chain, or AVEXC, I'll be paying a fee of only 0.3 USDT. But if I'm withdrawing it to, let's say, Ethereum chain, which is ERC20, I'll be paying a fee of 3.7, which is a lot. And if I'm using TRC20, I'm paying a fee of $2. So depending on which exchange or which wallet you want to withdraw to, you should select the chain type accordingly, and your chain type should match to the wallet in which you are receiving. So pretty much that's it. That's how you start trading on Bybit. We talked about how you can start trading on spot trading, how you can start trading on the USDT perpetual. And as we move ahead, I'll be doing a deep dive on the derivative perpetual trading of the Bybit. If you have any question, let me know. You can find all the links in the description or somewhere at the top. With that, I will see you in the next video, and do check out our other videos where we did a deep dive of different cryptocurrencies. Bye bye.